Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give us a thumbs up and a comment. Today's video, I'm making a papaya lightening oil. Papaya skin lightening oil. This oil is very easy to make. There is no chemical added to this oil. It's organic and natural. So I just went up and chopped up my papaya and then I mashed them with a fork. You could blend them. It's totally optional. It's what you prefer. I prefer just mashing my papaya, and I used olive oil. So I just went ahead and just added my olive oil and just mixed it together, and that's it. I just put it on my stove and I cook it at low heat. So I'm gonna go ahead and cook this for about 40 to 45 minutes. Just make sure that you just cook it on low heat. Don't put it on high, because then you will be burning the oil. So I kept checking on my oil and coming back to it every 10 minutes, just making sure it doesn't stick to the bottom and my oil doesn't burn, because if it burns then it's not going to be effective. I kept checking and stirring, and I kept seeing if it's ready. I use a spoon to kind of check, and after 45 minutes, I put the oil aside, it cools off, and then I use strainer, pour it in my cup. I washed and sanitized this cup. Make sure everything you use is clean, and pretty much my oil is done. This oil could be added to a cream or lotion, or you could just use it on your face. Thanks for watching, guys.